All right, today is our last day of working on one-pager. When Miss Grew gets back on Monday, it is due. So turn it in today in the teal basket up front, okay, if you don't want to lose it over the weekend. That's the best place to put it. But she will remind you to turn it in on Monday if you forgot, okay? So here's an example. This is Miss Grew's example of the one-pager. Now, if you were to copy this, you're not going to get an A, a B, or a C. You're going to get a D because you're just copying Miss Grew's. That was my work, not your work, all right? So we are going to go through with the one-pager and grade Miss Grew's one-pager. See how it went. Hopefully yours does the same, okay? So first thing, first and last name. Ooh, that might actually not be done. So I didn't put my name on here. That's already missing. 1 point, gone. Title, rational numbers. I do have a title. So Miss Grew is going to circle this when she's grading my one-pager. Okay, next thing, question 1. Here's my question 1. What is the difference in height between the tip of a rock 350 meters above sea level and a dragonfish swimming 80 meters below sea level? I drew a picture to kind of help illustrate my problem. I showed the work. I have the answer. I boxed it up so I know that's the answer. All right, so I'm going to say that that is a 5. Really nice job. Then it says explain what solutions mean in the context. This means the rock tip is 430 meters above the fish. Yep, that makes sense to me. I'm done with question 1. Then looking at question 2. All right, the temperature in Minneapolis was 18 degrees below zero. With wind chill, the temperature became negative 32 degrees Fahrenheit. How much did the temperature drop? Okay, I see work here. I thought about, okay, well, negative 18 plus something is negative 32, or negative 18 minus something equals negative 32. So then I thought about my positive and negative teams. Now, I did mess up. Okay, because I didn't do it in pencil, so I'm going to get some points off because it's not the neatest, but that's okay. Everything else I felt really confident on. But I was thinking about my negative team and my positive team, and my negative team has to win by 14 points. Then I said, this means the temperature dropped 14 more degrees. All right, so I think my question was great. I have my answer. I explained my answer. So far, so good. Creative border. Okay, here's my border. I just did positive and negatives, kind of like rational numbers all the way around. Now, I didn't have much room on this side, but my whole page is really filled up, so I'm going to say that's really good. Okay, so that's a 2. Colorful and neat. I used lots of colors. There is no pencil, so that's good, but I did mess up here. So I'm going to say that's a 1, because I did mess up a little bit. It's not all the way neat. All right, and then totaling up my points. Well, I lost 1 here, I lost 1 here, so I'm getting an 18 out of 20. Ugh, if only I put my name on it, then I would have gotten a 19 out of 20. But I still got an A on this, and I feel really proud of my work. Okay, so you are not filling this out. When you finish, you should staple your rubric to the back. Okay, try to line it up nicely, staple it, it should be blank. Okay, Miss Grew is then going to grade it on the back, and then you will get it back, or I'll put it up on the wall, okay? But you do not fill out the rubric, only Miss Grew. Okay, good luck. Finish up your one-pager. Check in with the sub if you are done for next steps.